Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to bridge crypto coins on Metamask. So in order to do it, you can either use Uniswap or any other swap and connect your Metamask wallet and you can start the bridging process, or you can even use the Metamask's inbuilt bridge option. So in order to get access to it, you just have to simply launch your Metamask application, then tap on the portfolio option. Now once you tap on portfolio, you will be landed on Metamask's portfolio page. Now if you don't know what it is, so you just have to first connect your Metamask wallet with the Metamask portfolio, and once this step is done, you will be able to get access to all of the features that Metamask portfolio provides. Now in order to get the bridge option, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right hand corner of the screen, and here you need to tap on bridge. After that, it will show you a bunch of different information relating to bridging, so you just have to close them all, and now you can start the bridging process. First, you need to select the initial network. Let's say I have selected Ethereum. Then you need to select the two network. Then in the first network, you need to select that token which you want to basically bridge, and after that you just have to select the second token which you want to bridge. Then you just have to enter the amount that you want to bridge, and after that it will show you the equivalent amount of the coin that you have selected and show you the gas fees that you need to pay. Once done, you just have to tap on the bridge option or the confirm option that you see, and then you just have to simply follow further instructions in order to bridge crypto coins on Metamask. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. You can even comment if you have any queries in your mind. Thank you so much for watching.